Welcome to this guided meditation designed to align your subconscious mind with the energy of wealth and abundance. By connecting with your deepest beliefs and desires, you can shift your mindset toward attracting and retaining financial prosperity. Begin by finding a comfortable position and gently closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing tension. With each breath, allow yourself to become fully present and grounded in this moment. Clearing limiting beliefs. As you settle into stillness, bring your attention to any limiting beliefs you may have about money. These could be fears or doubts you carry, whether consciously or subconsciously. Now, imagine these thoughts as small blocks within your mind. With each exhale, picture these blocks dissolving, freeing space for abundance and opportunity. Inhale deeply, allowing fresh energy to fill the space left by those limiting beliefs. You are now ready to embrace the flow of wealth into your life. Affirmations for wealth attraction. Let's introduce affirmations to align your subconscious mind with the energy of monetary abundance. You can either repeat these silently to yourself or listen as they seep into your consciousness. I am worthy of financial abundance. Feel this truth in every cell of your being. You deserve the wealth that flows into your life. Money flows easily and effortlessly to me. Picture money as a stream of energy, continuously flowing toward you. There is no resistance, only ease and openness. I am a magnet for prosperity and success. Visualize yourself radiating a powerful magnetic energy that draws wealth and opportunity toward you from all directions. I am grateful for the wealth I already have and the abundance that is coming. Focus on the feeling of gratitude. By appreciating what you already have, you invite even more into your life. I am worthy of financial abundance. Money flows easily and effortlessly to me. I am a magnet for prosperity and success. I am grateful for the wealth I already have and the abundance that is coming. Visualization for financial prosperity. Now let's deepen this connection with a visualization. Imagine yourself standing in a lush green landscape, one that feels prosperous, thriving, and full of opportunity. In front of you, see a beautiful golden tree, its branches heavy with golden coins. This tree represents your financial life, healthy, abundant, and ever-growing. As you approach the tree, you reach out to take a golden coin from one of its branches. As you hold this coin, feel its warmth and energy radiating through your hand. This coin symbolizes the financial opportunities and wealth that are coming into your life. Now visualize yourself planting the coin in the soil beneath the tree. Watch as it grows into another tree, then another, until the landscape around you is filled with trees representing endless financial growth. As you bask in this vision of abundance, let's solidify your ability not just to attract, but to retain wealth. Repeat these affirmations silently or allow them to sink into your consciousness. I manage my wealth with wisdom and care. You are fully capable of handling the wealth you attract, making smart decisions, and nurturing your financial growth. I create financial security for myself and my loved ones. Picture the stability and comfort that your wealth provides for you and those you care about. I release any fear or anxiety around money and trust in my financial journey. Let go of any lingering doubts or fears. You trust yourself to make sound financial choices and to hold on to wealth with ease. I manage my wealth with wisdom and care. I create financial security for myself and my loved ones. I release any fear or anxiety around money and trust in my financial journey. Now, take a moment to reprogram your subconscious mind for long-term financial abundance. Picture your mind as a vast, fertile field. With each affirmation, you are planting seeds of prosperity that will grow and bear fruit in your life. Wealth is my natural state. See yourself as someone who naturally attracts and maintains wealth. This is your true nature. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and financial freedom. Visualize yourself fully in sync with the universe's flow of wealth. There is no effort, only alignment and abundance. Every financial decision I make leads me toward greater prosperity. Feel confident in your ability to make wise, prosperous financial choices. Wealth is my natural state. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and financial freedom. Every financial decision I make leads me toward greater prosperity. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Slowly deepen your breath, feeling the ground beneath you and the air around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting with your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of wealth and abundance with you throughout your day. Know that the affirmations and visualizations you practice today will continue to work within your subconscious, guiding you toward financial success. Thank you for joining this meditation. Trust that wealth, abundance, and financial freedom are your natural birthright, and with the right mindset, you will attract and retain all that you desire. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.